This is Sean with Gate City. We're at a job today in Greensboro, and what we're working on here is we're going to be pouring a patio underneath this overhang, and then we're also doing the front entranceway on the front of the building. So Harvey and his crew did the foundation on this house a little less than a year ago, and we're back here doing the patios. So we're also going to be pouring right here, this entranceway here. And so we're going to be doing these 6 inches thick. The homeowner wants them thicker, and we've got some gravel that they had delivered that we're going to be using to fill in our space for our sub base. So I've got the mini skid here, I've got the skid steer here, and I've got Miguel and Raymond with me today. So we're getting going on this. Alright, we got our first two loads in here. But look what's jumping around in here. Little froggy, so I gotta get him out of here. Alright, there he is. Out of the way. Before we get too far here, we've got to set up our string line and get our elevations right and set. So we're just running that string line along the old concrete there, the existing concrete, and whenever we get that lined up, that will be basically the line that we'll use for our form and the elevation. And then we'll go from the bottom of the step over here at the front door to that string line, and that will be our slope away from the door. Miguel and Raymond are continuing to form up and get that front entryway fixed up and ready, and so I'm back here at the back patio, and I'm going to get a couple of loads of gravel underneath here and start working on getting that graded out where it needs to be while they're working up front. we've got to cut this form board so it lands centered on our post there. So we'll have a place to nail our second form board.
Hold on. Then make it more even, more tight. See? There we go.
We've got everything ready and we're just waiting for concrete. Alright, the concrete just arrived. He's getting mixed up. And we're going to get this going here pretty quick. Okay, this will be an easy pour today. This is why you get front dumping trucks. What about it?
Watch it how it comes.
Yeah. Look, looks good.
There we go. Oh.
¿Te das vuelta?
Sírvete, sí. Vámonos, sírvete tú ahí, quédate tú ahí.
Ahí está bien, nomás le emparejamos.
Good.
Ya.
Dale con el camión, Ramón. down, right? Okay, do the same thing. But I'm gonna go inside. See that? One day I'm gonna be good. See.
¿Cómo vamos a hacer de castigacho? Vamos a ver cómo vamos a hacer de castigacho a fin de semana.
El viernes. Saturday, Friday, no vamos, no coming work. Échale más, papi. Sí, mijo. Look at the level.
Looks good.
So it's good too. Go.
All right, I just got the slip. Today we were pouring 3,500 with fiber and water reducer. So there's the mix we poured. All right, the concrete is on the ground and the truck driver's out of here.
Look, you know now? Está ready, right? No tengo ni compasión. Ya no, ya se marcan los drones. Ya no, ya se marcan los drones. Ahí va, güey. Ya que, no hay que dejarlo, ya. Ahorita nos vamos, ¿verdad? ¿Sí ves? ¿Quieres todavía hay agua? Sí. Still wet.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna do one more with this. See that?
Too wet.
Too wet, so still good.
Yep.
But I'm gonna have to.
This concrete's setting up pretty nicely, and so we're gonna run the joiner back through here now that it's tightened up a little bit. Hey, you want to clean that off?
Yeah, man.
Oh yeah. Tightening up pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah. See what I'm saying? That's good. Ya nomás, otra pasada, ya nomás esta la voy a dar, güey. Y la barremos, pero mira, mírame, ahí en esa esquina quiero que lo arregles. ¿Sí miras?
Ok.
Métete por a... Espérame, ahí te va. Ok, dale, güey, dale, mijo.
Good, right?
Yeah. I see what you're doing. Using the cream.
Using the green there, yeah.
Okay, we're finished with our pour over here, so we'll be back in a couple of days to pull the form boards. But it's looking really, really good. Alright, the guys are out of here. I'm just waiting to meet back up with the property owner. So here's how the front entranceway turned out. It's looking really good. Everything is sloping the way it's supposed to, so if any rain gets in there, it will just flow on out of here. We're back out here. It's the next day and we're pulling some form boards off.
Yeah. And right here, sometimes sweat and they take care of it. Yeah, so sometimes, so I gotta say, what is that? So sometimes let's sit down. I mean, I'm 47. Still I can do more. Then okay.
Looks okay?
Mm-hmm. Looks good.
Yeah, it does.
Right?
Yeah. Ooh, I'm gonna walk on it. Feels good underfoot.